In recent years, the phrase social justice warrior has become kind of an insult. While some view it as a positive term for people who are pursuing worthwhile goals, others see it as referring to oversensitive, reactionary people. But what does the Bible say about social justice? Generally speaking, the Bible cares a lot about justice. Jesus said that people would be judged on how they treated the poor, the social outcasts, and the hungry. The laws of the Torah created an elaborate system to help feed poor people and to help get them out of debt. The prophets of the Old Testament demanded that people reform their ways to be more just, and the New Testament church worked against social discrimination based on class, gender, and ethnicity. But we can't restore Earth to a perfect paradise on our own. Because we live in a sinful world, human nature leads history in an oppressive direction until God will have to intervene directly. Jesus intervened once already by taking injustice upon himself through the cross, so he could justify undeserving people freely. The story of the Bible is the story of God giving humans the responsibility to take care of this world, to serve as its rightful rulers. But it's also the story of humans failing in that responsibility, and God's plan to restore us to that role. We have to understand both our high calling to do what's right and also our inability to do so without God. Social issues are complex. Sometimes there are no clear answers or solutions. Sometimes the sinfulness of this world creates situations where there isn't really a healthy way forward, or where God's people must stand for what's right in spite of truly impossible odds. The Christian hope is that one day God will bring judgment, set straight our mistakes, and will serve perfect justice in a way that our human efforts never could. Until that day, we must recognize that our best efforts may not always produce perfect results, but that the arrival of the kingdom of God will see justice perfectly restored, and it will make our efforts worthwhile. We are all part of the problem. The Messiah is the truest social justice warrior. Follow him.